Alright, what you're looking at here is this 42-inch Halsey Hugger Ceiling Fan. This one's probably from the mid-late 80s, just the way it looks. It's just my opinion. If I'm wrong, then okay. But anyway, I'll go ahead and turn the light on for you. I'm using the same globe that I used for my CEC spinner that you guys seen on the other video. There's the footprint vents, which I really like. There's the detachable switch housing. And then there's the cane, aka wicker. So we'll go ahead and start this thing up, starting on low. I'm leaving the light on so you guys can see it better. Alright. Here's medium. I could turn the light off, but it's gonna get a little dark and kind of hard to see. So yeah. You can actually feel some air from medium, which is not bad. To me, it's decent. Alright. Now I'll turn it to high speed. It does shake, and it is noisy, but it moves a lot of air too on high. So I'll show you the air movement. It's a nice fast little fan, that's for sure. I actually like the way it looks. Just putting that, actually with the schoolhouse globes, it actually looks really nice. Which is not the original schoolhouse globe. I have the original schoolhouse globe, but floral looks really nice with it. So yeah. Okay. Power down. Watch the spin down. case some of you want to know, I do play music from my radio while I'm in the garage doing fan stuff. So, in case you hear music in the background. Dang, this one's kind of got a long spin down. Never really seen a hugger take this long, but alright, there you have it. There's your 42-inch Halsey Hugger Ceiling Fan. And hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and also happy 4th of July weekend, everybody.